How to view your account statement on Etoro. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to view your account statement in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Etoro. Okay, this is the home page as you can see. Now you go to those three lines here in the top corner, click on them and then choose settings right here. Click on settings and then choose account, and then you have to go down and you will find account statement and click on view, and you will view your account statement in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.